Hey guys, today we are going to do a video on comparing and ordering fractions, decimals, and percents. So you should have your half sheet out to do your ISN, and we'll fill in the notes together. Alright, first up is fraction to decimal. So all you need to do to take a fraction to a decimal, remember a fraction is just a division problem. Divide top number divided by bottom number, or numerator divided by denominator. So as an example, we'll do 13/20. I grab my calculator. 13 divided by 20. I've got 0.65 is my decimal. Second, we'll look at taking a decimal to a percent. If I have a decimal and I need to change it to a percent, all I need to do is move my decimal 2 places to the right. So if I'm looking at a decimal like 0.7612, that is 76%. If I'm looking at something like 0.3 and I need to move it 1, 2, I need to fill in a 0 there. So that would be 30%. If I'm looking at something like 1.64 and I need to move it 2 spaces, that would be 164%. Next is percent to decimal. So something like, so we will move our decimal place 2 spaces to the left. Something like 42%. We don't see a decimal, but we know that if I'm looking at the number 42, it would be the same as 42.0. So we would imagine it right there and move it twice to the left. That would be 0.42. Something like 70%. Imagine it there, move it 2 places to the left, would be 0.7. Something like 5%, decimal would be there, move 2 to the left, we would need to fill in a 0 before the 5, it would be 0.05 for 5%. And last, we're going to change a percent to a fraction. Percent to a fraction, we're going to put the number over 100. And then reduce. And remember that can be done on your calculator. So if I have a number like 8%, I would put 8 over 100. I can either think in my head and know how to reduce that, or I can type in 8 ABC 100 and hit equals. I get 2/25. If I want to take a number like 42%, I could put 42 over 100, type in my calculator. That would be 21/50. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try this bottom, get this chart filled out with the correct fractions, decimals, and percents. Put those numbers on this number line, and then try this word problem. Once you get that done, you can check with a partner or with a teacher, and then get your next instruction. Good luck.